When was the last time you actually checked what's inside your hot dog before putting it on the grill? Some contain mechanically separated meat, chemical preservatives, and over 1,000 mg of sodium in a single serving. That's nearly half your daily limit in one bite. And yet, people eat them every week without thinking twice. Today, we're breaking down what's really inside hot dogs and why some brands are far worse than others. Setup. We'll go through the worst offenders first, the ones cutting the biggest corners. Then we'll flip the grill and show you the hot dogs that actually feel like real food. And trust me, the difference is bigger than you think. Number 7, great value. Cheap hot dogs often rely on mechanically separated meat. Leftover bones are processed under high pressure to extract tissue, creating a paste-like substance. Add sodium, fillers, and artificial smoke, and what you get barely behaves like real meat. Number 6, Armor. Nostalgia makes this brand feel safe, but the ingredients tell another story. Sodium nitrites preserve color, but under heat they can form harmful compounds. The texture is smooth and uniform because it's heavily processed. Number 5, Gwaltney. Same packaging, different product. Customers report chemical smells, tougher casing, and inconsistent taste. When loyal buyers leave, it usually means the formula changed. Number 4, Sugardale. Dense texture increases choking risk for children. Mass production often includes antibiotics and growth enhancers. This isn't just food, it's industrial processing. Number 3, Vienna beef. A recall involving metal fragments raised serious concerns. Combined with high sodium and inconsistent quality, trust starts to break. Number 2, Ballpark. Average in every way. Bland taste, uneven cooking, and inconsistent texture. It works, but it doesn't impress. Number 1, Bar S. A major recall due to listeria contamination. The texture is soft and airy, more like paste than meat. This is the lowest tier of processing. Not all hot dogs are like this. Some brands take a completely different approach, cleaner. Number 7, Applegate. Grass-fed beef, no nitrates, simple ingredients. Number 6, Trader Joe's. Organic beef, firm texture, and balanced flavor. A reliable upgrade from cheap brands. Number 5, Kirkland. No fillers, strong value with solid taste. Number 4, Sabret. Delivers that signature snap. Classic street-style flavor. Number 3, Boar's Head. Minimal ingredients and premium texture. This feels like deli quality. Number 2, Hebrew National. Kosher standards ensure higher control and quality. Clean, reliable, consistent. Number 1, Nathan's. 100% beef, balanced seasoning, iconic flavor. This is what a hot dog should be. Now you know what's really inside your hot dogs. And if you think this was surprising, wait until you see what's inside bacon. Subscribe for more.